In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add custom fields to your project so you can capture the details that matter most, whether that's priority, budget, or any other key data point your team relies on. First, open your project. Make sure you're inside the specific project where you want the field to live. You can be in list view or board view, either one works. It's a good idea to double check you've selected the correct project so the new field shows up exactly where your team expects it. Next, look to the top right of your project and click the Customize button. This opens a panel that controls the layout and structure of your project. Think of it as your project's control center. If you don't see Customize, make sure you have permission to change the project settings and that you're in the full project view, not a filtered or minimized view. Inside that Customize panel, click the plus add option and select field. This tells Asana you want to bring in a data field that can be shown on tasks. You'll typically see an area labeled fields, and the plus add button there is where you start. This is the spot you'll come back to anytime you want to add, remove, or adjust fields later. Now you'll choose whether to create new field or select from library. Create new field is best when you need something unique to this workflow like client tier or story points. Select from library lets you reuse fields that already exist in your workspace, which helps keep naming consistent and reporting cleaner across multiple projects. If your team already uses a standard priority or status field, the library option saves time and avoids duplicates. When creating a new field, enter the name and select the field type. You'll see options like number, text, and multi-select. Number is ideal for budgets, estimates, or quantities. Text is perfect for short notes that don't need preset options. Multi-select lets you pick from several predefined values on each task, handy for things like tags, regions, or multiple categories at once. Choose names that are clear and intuitive so everyone understands how to use the field. Finally, click Create Field. Your new field will appear in the project and you can start filling it in on tasks right away. If you're working with a team, let them know what the field is for and how to use it consistently. A quick recap: open your project, go to Customize, add a field, decide between creating new or selecting from the library, name it, choose the type, and create it. That's all there is to it.